Hi, today I am going to install Oracle 19c software on Oracle Linux 9.6 version. So here I'm going to show you step by step how to install Oracle 19c. So first of all we have to add user. Normally in for Oracle installation we create user called Oracle ORACLE all lowercase, and we will have one more group oinstall. So here is the command. I will keep everything this user addition, group addition, and how to add that user under that group. All command I will keep in this description box, and we have to add we have to update some parameter in security limits file also. It's kernel parameter, those are kernel parameter. Without adding those parameter you will not be able to install Oracle 19c. So not only Oracle 19c, Oracle software, if you want to install on Linux you have to add this kernel parameter. And apart from this kernel parameter, one more file called limits.conf. This file limits the resource utilization by the user. In Linux, we can Linux can limit the resource utilization by the user. Like how many files or process or that memory can utilize by user, that we can limit. So this file for that. So after adding this the parameter, if you don't want to reboot the server, this command is enough. Need not require to reboot the system. And here I will create a directory structure. You can keep anything. Normally standard we keep like this, or folder name structure, it can be anything. So and yes, we will change. If you create the directory from the root user, you have to change the owner. Here I have created from the root user, so I have to change the owner. So for Oracle installation, Linux level you have to install some RPMs. So what are the RPMs required? We don't have that list. If you execute this command, what are the RPMs required for the Oracle Linux 19c? All RPMs will get installed by this command. So single command is enough, need not to install each and every RPMs which required for the Oracle. I will update this command in description box. So I will pause this video here sometime because it may require some time. See, RPM installation completed. So now we can go for the next step. Here is the mobile extern. This is the GUI tools which required for the Oracle installation. as we are going to install GUI methods, you can there is another option called silent method. I'm not going to install in silent method. Here I'm going to install with GUI. So this tools used for the installation. See, this Linux version is 9.6. Linux 9.6 is not exactly compatible with the Oracle Linux 19c. So there are some of the bugs. I will show you in this installation how to handle those bugs and how to um, install 19c successfully. So I'm moving the Oracle Linux software here. Here is the okay. I need to unzip it. Unzip done. This is the Oracle home path. So again I have to go to that mobile xdump. So for installation you have to go to the Oracle home location where you have unzipped. Here execute the command run installer. Yes, this error I wanted to show you. Why this error? Because this Linux 9.6 is not a compatible with for the Oracle 19c. So you have to set a session level parameter or environment you have to set so that Oracle will consider like installation uh, with the Oracle Linux 8 this command export cv assume underscore dist id. So Oracle installer will assume this one Oracle as Oracle Linux 8. See now that error is not coming now. Now you have to select setup software only. I'm not going to create database now. I will create it later. Obviously it will be single instance database installation. Go to next. Obviously we are going to install enterprise edition. Then this is the base location where you are going to install Oracle binary. Here is the inventory location by default. Oracle installer will select. Here all the group we will give oinstall. Yes, everything is fine. Next, install. Yes, this is the error. This error because this some compatibility issue or some bug. We need to apply another patch. While installing patch, normally we apply with the existing Oracle Home, but while installing the Oracle 19c, we are hitting with a bug. So we have to install during the installation we have to apply the patch and installation together. So this is the error. So we have to abort this installation. We cannot proceed about it. Sometimes after aborting this, you may need to clean up the Oracle home before applying the patch. Clean means you have to delete the Oracle what are the unzipped file, and you have to unzip again. So this will be the command. Here is the patch number and one of the bug patch or that op patch. This last number 36240578, and this is the patch I have to apply. I'm moving this patch into the server. It may take some time and I will pause this video. Here, here I'm going to create a folder patch, and in that patch I will move that patch, that bug patch. And if you want to install the patch, you must also download and apply, you have to download that latest opatch utility. I hope you are aware about the opatch utility. So you should download and move that opatch utility into the Oracle home location. Here again you have to select setup software only. We are not going to create database. Next, single instance database installation, enterprise edition, Oracle base, inventory. And remember, if you try multiple times installation and after failure you have to, that inventory you may need to clean up from the location where that inventory got created. So next, everything is successful, we are good to proceed for the installation. Yes, I hope now installation will be successful. It may require some time, so let's see. I will pause this video here sometime. So installation almost completed. Now I have to execute this two root script. Login to root. Just enter. Did not to type anything. Now here click on OK and installation successful. Close it. Now set the environment. Oracle home. Export path is equal to $oracle home /bin : $path echo oracle home echo $path. You can see our oracle home path in the path. So SQL plus, so we don't have any database. Now we are able to log in SQL plus. That means installation successful. So thanks for watching.